What does the final amount look like when the growth factor is equal to 1? The final amount is the same as the initial amount because you multiply the initial amount by 1, the growth factor. Let's look at an example. Every birthday, you measure how tall you are to find out how much you have grown since your last birthday. On your 23rd birthday, you measure 165 centimeters. You do not expect your height to change anymore over the following year, so the growth rate, r, is 0. You want to find out what your expected height is on your 24th birthday. In order to make the problem easier to understand, you can ignore the unit, centimeters, throughout these calculations. Let's calculate your expected height. You use this formula. The final amount, y, equals the initial amount, a, times the growth factor, 1 plus r. First, you need to insert values for the variables. The final amount, y, is your expected height on your 24th birthday. The initial amount, a, is 165, the height you measured on your 23rd birthday. The growth factor is given by 1 plus r, where r is the growth rate. The growth rate is equal to 0. 1 plus 0 equals 1. Therefore, the growth factor is equal to 1. Multiplying any amount by 1 gives the same amount. 165 times 1 equals 165. When the growth factor is equal to 1, the final amount is the same as the initial amount. Your expected height on your 24th birthday is 165. Notice that this height is the same as the one on your 23rd birthday, so your height was constant this past year. When the growth factor is equal to 1, the final amount is the same as the initial amount.